skin test.
Dr. Reingold.
Yeah.
Excuse me, you are Dr. Reingold.
Yes, I am.
I am Misha Bilyankov.
Hello.
I have to ask you about a parrot.
Parrot.
The one in the down in dungeon. Maybe it's the wrong word. There is a bird down there, a green parrot.
Oh, the little conure. Yeah, is he still with us?
Yes, I come to tell you with great amazement. He can talk.
He mimics.
Mimics. What is mimics?
Well, he repeats what he hears. He does not talk.
No, he understands. He's intelligent, doctor. I know parrot talk. He sings song. He understands speech. He even insult me. He called me mop monkey. He talk. I can prove you to it. No, please, sir. Maybe if I explain better. If I say...
I think you've said enough. Now, why don't you let us do our job and you do yours? Like maybe pick up the trash.
Doing?
I've come cleaning office, so... But I later come back.
What's the bird doing out of his cage?
Well,
Get the bird. Come on. Look, just grab it.
no.
Hey.
No.
What do you think you're doing?
I'm taking him.
You what?
I'm taking him where he belongs.
He belongs to the Institute.
No, he belongs to a little girl who needs him. And you knew. You knew it all the time. Paulie, come.
Who do you think you are?
I am Mikhail Andreevich Bilyankov. And you are a liar and coward and very rude man.
You were fired.
No, I am not fired. I am quit.
You...